Yes, tama naman si Jeff. Wala naman akong itinago sa industriya, kinalakihan at minahal ko. And everyone from the industry, especially the people from the press knows that. Especially yung mga kasabay kong lumaki at tumanda na dito. O, sabay tayo ha?
Yes.
Kasama tayo dito ha?
Yes.
And I just really love my work. I'm passionate about this. Struggles would always come naman when you're starting. I think of me as really just working. Hindi ko talaga inisip ang sarili ko nung bata ako na artista. Alam ko talent ako because I started as a talent. I would, mga anak ako ni Ate Maricel or kapatid niya ako or my first roles before when I was starting. Pampadami lang talaga ako ng mga bata sa, let's say, sa TVC. Pampadami ako sa mga batang extra sa pelikula ng Regal Films. And I was really just enjoying. Ang sweldo ko noong araw para sa isang buong pelikula na talent ka was 100 a day. For Mara Clara, it's 1,500 per taping day. And hindi ko question yun. I respected it because I know I have to earn my spot. But in my mind, I thought baka naman hindi ako magtatagal dito. So growing up, it was already stuck in my head. Kumbaga naka-embed na sa utak ko, I have to keep on saving. Because I don't know kung hanggang kailan ako dito. So the first things that I really did was, nung nakapag-ipok ako ng 10,000 pesos during the 90s, insurance agad. Kumbaga, tabi agad. Kasi nga feeling ko, hindi naman ako mamahalin kasi hindi naman ako mestiza, hindi naman ako kagandahan. Alam mo yun, kumbaga, I know may talent ako, but at that time, I think it wasn't enough. So, struggling your way to be noticed, malaking factor doon yung trust na binigay sa akin ng production and ng mga producers. And at the same time, the amount of work that I put out, feeling ko, napapantayan ko naman, or nahihigitan ko naman. The struggles lang naman talaga is, at some point, you get burned out, you're about to crash. Kasi feeling mo wala ka na talagang pupuntahan. But then again, you pull yourself back up, and you tell yourself, no, I can do this. I will beat them in their own game. Kung hindi man ako kasing ganda nila, mas magaling ako sa kanila. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman chinika yun. Sa akin lang yun. Ngayon ko na lang chinika yan kasi feeling ko naman okay lang. Kasi marami naman kami magkakasabay nung araw. And this was happening around what? I was 11, 12, 13 years old. Alam ko I have to fight my way up. But I never really had that big dream that I want to be a superstar someday. I just kept on working and working and working. Kept on going to church when pagka ako na lang mag-isa. Yun ang alone time ko. That's where I gather myself back up again. And then, lo and behold, blessings just keeps pouring in. I give myself 101% to every project I accept. And in my mind talaga, I will never reach the point na I will be an endorser because hindi naman ako, feeling ko wala akong mukha para doon. And probably, siguro malaki yung factor yun kasi hindi ako nakapagtapos. So wala akong confidence to really talk. Then I realized, I can just be myself. I can just talk about every brand that I believe in kasi pwede akong maging ako nang hindi ko kailangan palitadahan ang kailangan ko sa kid kasi totoong naniniwala ako. So, para makatagal ako ng halos 4 na dekada dito sa industriya to, I think I played my cards well. And I built this foundation with a pure and grateful heart na every time I come up to a person or ang talagang pinangalagaan ko is the relationship to each and every person I work with, regardless if it's an actor, a producer, a director, or the crew, or the utility. Lahat yan sila pantay-pantay because it doesn't make sense na may mataas, mababa, o maliit. Hindi. Para sa akin, lahat ng tao pantay-pantay, lahat tayo nagtatrabaho ng patas, kaya dapat patas ang laban.
Thank you. Ang ganda.
Sobrang authentic. No wonder talaga Miss Juliana is the newest member of the Talent followers in authenticity. Pero